During and after World War II, dozens of war memorials were erected across Chicago. Neighborhood groups, local clubs, and small businesses placed plaques on street corners to honor the men and women who served. Some were simple posts bearing a single name. Others, known as honor rolls, listed everyone from the neighborhood who was fighting overseas. Many were decorated with flagpoles or the letter V for victory. But time hasn't been kind to most of them. Plaques have fallen off, poles stand empty, others were removed as streets were widened and neighborhoods redeveloped. What was once common across Chicago is now rare. Still, a few survive. There are two still standing in the Lincoln Park area. The memorial to George Estes at Fullerton and Cleveland is one of the few remaining neighborhood war memorials left in Chicago. George Estes was a seaman, second class, in the U.S. Navy during World War II. In October of 1944, he was killed in action in the South Pacific and buried at sea. He had lived just a few blocks away at 2046 North Orleans with his family. This simple plaque on a pole marks not just a name, but a young man from the neighborhood who never came home. 2 blocks west, at Fullerton and Orchard, stands another memorial. This one honors Richard Fossil, a Lincoln Park resident and bombardier who was killed in action over England. Today, both memorials are carefully maintained by the Mid-North Neighborhood Association. They're modest, easy to miss, but they remind us that Chicago's war history isn't only found in grand monuments. Sometimes it's standing quietly at the corner of your own street. This is Chicago, one story at a time.